Hi everybody, welcome back to the Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this brand new 2024 Honda Civic Si. Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. But if you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. Alright everybody, so the first step in your install is take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car with your front door open. This way, your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, look at your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you're going to see the clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Next up, plug your controller into the Sprint Booster, then run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure you check that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car like we do. Press the silver button to turn on your Sprint Booster, which gives you 36 unique modes, including 9 modes in sport mode and another 9 modes in race mode, so you can really dial in the throttle pedal feel to what feels the best for you and your car. Along with that, you also get Valet Mode, which limits your throttle pedal output to about 30%, so that in case anybody gets into your car, they can't rev it out all the way and drive your car hard. Along with that, you also get Pedal Lock Mode, which completely disengages the throttle pedal and protects it with a 3-digit pin that you set. That way you get a lot more security with your Sprint Booster. Alright everybody, well that's it. Thanks for checking out another Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications. And let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install Sprint Booster on. Alright, that's it. Bye now.